In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot so you can understand what's working, what's not, and how to improve your future campaigns. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional emails, or automated sequences, knowing how to read your email data is essential for improving engagement and driving results. I'll walk you step by step through where to find your reports, how to open the performance dashboard, what the key metrics mean, and how to compare emails over time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, select Email. This will take you to your email marketing dashboard, where you can see all of the emails you've created. Next, click on the Sent tab. This is important because you want to analyze emails that have already gone out to your audience. Inside the Sent tab, you'll see a list of all previously delivered campaigns, including regular marketing emails and automated emails. From here, you can quickly scan performance at a high level, but to really understand the data, you'll need to open the detailed performance view. To do that, hover over the name of the email you want to analyze. When you hover, you'll see an Actions button appear. Click on Actions and then select View Performance. This opens the email performance dashboard for that specific campaign. Now you're inside the performance dashboard, and this is where the real insights live. At the top, you'll see your core metrics. The first key metric is your open rate. This tells you the percentage of recipients who opened your email. Open rate is heavily influenced by your subject line, preview text, and sender name. If your open rate is low, that's usually a sign that you need to improve your subject lines or audience targeting. Next is your click rate. This shows the percentage of recipients who clicked on at least one link inside your email. Click rate measures engagement and how compelling your content and calls to action are. If people are opening but not clicking, you may need stronger messaging or clearer buttons. You'll also see your bounce rate. Bounce rate tells you how many emails could not be delivered. There are soft bounces, which are temporary issues like a full inbox, and hard bounces, which are permanent issues like an invalid email address. A high bounce rate can hurt your sender reputation, so this is an important metric to monitor regularly. Beyond these core metrics, HubSpot also provides additional data like unsubscribe rate, spam reports, and device breakdowns. Reviewing these helps you understand overall audience behavior and list health. Another powerful feature inside HubSpot is the ability to compare emails. Instead of looking at one campaign in isolation, you can analyze trends over time. Go back to your main email dashboard and use filters to compare different email types, such as regular marketing emails versus automated emails. This helps you identify which format performs better for your audience. You can also compare performance over time to see whether your open rates and click rates are improving month over month. If you notice a decline, it may signal list fatigue or content issues. If you see improvement, you can double down on the strategies that are working. By consistently reviewing these reports, you move from guessing to making data-driven marketing decisions. And that's how you analyze marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.